Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are getting mulch in the garden bed finally. So you guys know I've been complaining about this tree. It's been dropping leaves. Got all these leaves here, pollen and everything. So now we're gonna get our mulch laid in the garden. So what I'm gonna do first is actually I'm gonna take the planters out so it'll be easier to spread the mulch. And I'm gonna have to lay paper over certain areas. I was gonna do a cardboard, but knowing me, I'm going to be planting more plants, and it's harder to dig in the cardboard to me than the paper. The paper it breaks down a lot faster. I can dig in it in a few days or even a week. The cardboard is a lot harder to dig through. So I'm gonna lay some paper down and get our mulch spread. Let's get started. Come on. So let's get all these containers moved over. If you remember when I planted these up, look at it. It's doing so well. Whee, they're heavy. And this one's even heavier. It'll be easier to spread the mulch if I get them out.
I fixed it.
Good job. You gotta drink it.
Look at it.
So I got all the planters out. Actually, I'm lying. I still got two more to get out. Let me get those out. Those two in the very front, I gotta move those. Let me get that now. They are heavy. Heavy. These look so much better now that they're in the sun. Because I moved them over here a few days ago. They look way better. So what I'm doing now is I'm cleaning up the edges, making sure that all these plants have enough soil around them before we get the mulch down.
Mommy, I can look at your pen.
And
Look at it.
yes, you can look at it. And I might come in and put some additional compost down for around these plants as well. So I'm just pretty much getting the extra soil from next to the concrete. So when the mulch goes there, it's not literally falling off and going over there. And I'm gonna do some light weeding for the areas I'm not putting the cardboard over. Let me give you a closer view of what I'm doing. So I'm pretty much going in like this. See? I'm making a kind of like a trench, not really a trench. I'm getting rid of these grass from here. And these areas that have the grass that didn't get pulled up earlier, I'm just gonna hand pull them. Okay, honey, I hear you. Okay, just don't touch them. You can look at them, but don't touch them. See? And then it's nice, clean, kind of like a trench, like I said. Oh no, it's blowing away. So That's for the trenching area. So I'm gonna start with this side because it's in the shade. So I'll start with that side first. So I got most of the weeding done, and I got my trench dug. Let me show you over here. See? So my goal was to pretty much get the dirt lower than the concrete driveway. So this way when the mulch lays, it's not running, so it's not running off from like the garden to the concrete. Now just go down, slope down. So that's what I was hoping for. All right, so I'm going to move the bench so I can pour the mulch more effectively. So let's go ahead and get that done. I guess I got most of the weeds up, not all of it. All right, so let's get some mulch down the first bag and see how it goes. But first, let's rest. So I was watching Linda's videos. I think it was last year. Linda Vader. Y'all excuse my accent. And she says to pretty much, well, use a knife, not a troll, and cut it halfway, and then you can just pour the mulch out. So let's test that out. I think I did it before anyway. I'm like, oh, that works. So you can get everything out each corner more efficiently. All right, so I'm going to start right there, and I'm trying to wait because it's evening, so the sun is over there. It's super hot over there. It's already hot, but I don't want to be working in the sun, so I'm trying to wait for the sun to go down. I might be done today, or it may go into tomorrow if it gets too dark and I can't see. All right, let's go. Oh, it does work. Thank you, Linda.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise high,
So we're gonna need more mulch. That was 18 bags of mulch. And we're actually out. So I put the white paper down. Like I said, I'm gonna be planting more stuff. So I didn't want to use cardboard because it's harder to dig through the cardboard than the paper. But I'm gonna have to get more mulch. And I may finish the mulching tomorrow. So we just have almost half completed, which is good. Alright, so in the meantime, I'm going to put my bench back. And here we go. This is the finished results. I will need to get some more stones. I got these from Lowe's, and I need to finish my path with those, and I need to get them buried. They're not really buried, but I also got the rest of the mulch from Lowe's, and they were 5 for $10. So the first batch of mulch was like $3.33 from Home Depot, and I was worried that the color was going to be different since it's 2 different types of mulch, but you can't even tell. And look at all the leaves already in the garden from the mulch. And I finished it in the night, so I couldn't film the rest of it, but I'm loving it. Oh my goodness, look. Let me back up so you can see. How beautiful is that? You can literally see all the plants now. And I have some more bags over there to fill in the little dead spots, like over here. I need to come back in and finish there. Because it was late night. I love it. Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful. Wow. And the birds are out. Well, that's it, everyone. Thank you guys so much for watching and coming along with me. Happy gardening. Bye.